Fucking hell, I forget how heavy that shit is, man. What do you want taping up?
Whole loom.
The whole loom? Yeah, I'll do it. Loom in L. Roger's branched out into bikes, look. Just wants some lubrication, does it? Yeah. He's happy today because he's at the sharp end of a fucking Peugeot. So he's got some underlay. So what he wants me to do is all the fucking loom like this. Nice fresh tape on it because all this is a bit manky. And we've just sort of done the odd loop here and there like there, just to keep some of the wires in position sort of thing.
I painted spare wheel well.
So, oh yeah, you've done the wheel well.
Paint over.
You've done that wheelie well.
I've sold of them. Whatever you think, sure. Good luck, Sparky.
You're a Sparky. I'll take these off now. Tidy enough in it. He was asking me about a manifold for a Corsa or something. I says, I haven't got a fucking clue, mate. He says, did you not work on that one now? I says, you want to fucking hope not, mate, because I'm not a car mechanic. Like, oh yeah, fucking you want to give him a belt. And then he was like going through some of the shit that he does, like for like teams, like touring cars and all. I was like, well, these are going to cost a fucking fortune, didn't he? Yeah, I'll tell you what, mate, I'll fucking have it painted by gold while I'm there.
It's cheap out, wasn't it?
No.
Fluid for fucking DPF shit there.
Yeah.
To me, £80.66.
What the fuck?
Can you send it up now? What? Can't you bring it?
I can't bring it now.
I'll give him a blow job.
Alright, we'll send it now then.
Thank you.
Tell him not to rush. While he's dicking around with customers' cars, I think I'll strip all this out. So when we paint that, when that's dry in 20 minutes or so, we'll paint all this as well in the rear. So then that'll be painting on the inside finished, and we can get on with the underlay. So we're all cleaned out, emptied everything out of it, gave it a sweep where we needed to in these corners, and then that's all been primered now as well. 2 coats, waiting for the red paint to turn up, because we're out of paint. Hey, just as he turns up, what a legend! How did you get out sucking his dick then?
Fingered his bum.
Fingered his bum. You're doing a lovely job on that, mate. You sure you don't want to paint the outside? Had enough of you, mate. You've tapped out. You did well, you emptied the can almost. It's all red. We've made a bit of a start on the interior today, which has been nice. Hopefully you shouldn't be able to see anything of what we've just painted. What we've just painted is purely just to protect what work's been done. It's had 2 coats of primer and it's had 2 coats of paint now as well. So it's 4 layers to protect the metal work for future.
Some stickers!
Where are you going to stick it, man?
On a toolbox.
Hey, on your toolbox? What the fuck happened there?
So put it upside down so when it was come to sell it, turn it back so it looks good.
Ah, you clever boy. Yeah. This box, Roger's just saying, was 150 quid, so it's the same packs that I've bought for the RS Turbo as well. So it's bloody expensive stuff, this Dynamat, so it better be good. So they're in manageable pieces, aren't they? It's it's self-adhesive as well, so at least we haven't got to fuck about with glue. So it'll be day 2 in this video tomorrow, when we start putting the Dynamat in. All we need tomorrow, then Roger, some scissors and a knife. Basically, tuck that up into position and then peeling off the underneath as we're moving along. Try and get it nice to the proper contours, all the little shapes like this. It is quite good actually, this Dynamat, at flexing into shape. So it's not too bad, you just got to keep working it a little bit at a time. And once you get near the paper backing again, pull it back a few more inches and start working on the next one. As easy as that, mate. Sticks really well, the self-adhesive on the back of it. I've just told Rog to nip home now and get the carpet to stick back in here. But what he doesn't realise is there's temporary traffic lights on the way between mine and his house. So he's back now and he's stuck in traffic for ages. Oh, he'll be fucking fuming when he gets back.
What, mate? There's this sort of fucking road that's up. Was it half an hour? There's a traffic light.
Yeah.
But there's nothing. Nothing. You can see cars going backwards and forwards, but there's no fucking.
Just gonna jet wash the carpet. 6 minutes, you reckon, to clean that? Won't take you that long. And he bought me a beer. I feel guilty now for making him go through the traffic lights. Managed to get it all the way up the tunnel though, all up behind the dash. And then cut round everything like these, all nicely trimmed round, standing blade. So one box, 36 square feet, almost does the car floor pan from front to back. It's not far off. It's certainly not worth buying a second box just to do the little bits that we've got left over. So we'll use what offcuts we've got under the seat here, make that as best as we can. He's made the ultimate man's washing line. Got the 2-poster ramp, just letting that carpet dry out. So what he's going to do is he's going to truck the carpet in and then see how he feels about the cushion that's underneath it, whether he thinks it needs some underlay, just to add a bit of padding really. He wants it to feel nice underfoot, literally. So it's fucking looking good though. Looking good, lads. So Roger has an update from PJ Motorsport, who is going to be using now to rebuild our CVH engine for the RS Turbo. So we're waiting for a price to come back for a spec list of that. But it's going to be all forged internals and also machine work on the head as well. So we have no idea how much that's going to cost. But then what else did you say PJ are doing for us, Rog?
Set this up.
We're going to set this up on the rolling road, yeah?
Yeah, their roll road goes onto the wheels, hut onto the hubs.
And where are PJ Motorsport? Wolverhampton. So they're not a million miles away, are they?
Build your engine, set the running car up, build my Cosy engine because I haven't got time to do it, and put the Cosy on the rollers, the hub rollers as well.
We've still got some budget left on the RS Turbo, that's the thing. Welder hasn't been paid yet though, so if you're watching Jason, come on lad. We've explained to him that we're not after like a 500 brake horsepower monster.
I am.
Well, Roger's. Yeah, but you got a fucking Cosy engine. That's a bit different, isn't it? So yeah, he's. What are you on about doing to the Cosy? Changing the block, wasn't it?
You're going for 200 block instead of 205 block. Because I've gone to the limit now on that.
So you're on the limit of what you think is safe boost, isn't it? Obviously the engine can produce more, but not safely like.
Yeah.
So the main difference between a 200 block and a 205?
Thicker walls.
Thicker cylinder walls. So more boost.
Yeah. Try to do for the 500 this time, I think. Change rear beam, change rear diff, rebuild the box.
So how many brake horsepower is it now? It's over 3, isn't it?
I did it at 429.
429, yeah.
Once, and then it's too risky, you know what I mean?
Too much though.
So I think it came down to 360. Like that.
360 is fucking nothing, that, isn't it? You want to go 500?
Yeah.
Okay, no. Yes, what?
500 brake for the ass end, right?
Through the ass end. We'll catch up with you on the next video. Hopefully it'll be this week. If not, it won't be long. So thanks for watching. We'll see you soon, lads. Take it easy.